You ready? This is the recipe that's going to get you addicted this summer. I mean, it's so fresh, so good, so amazing and so easy. It's an explosion of freshness and aromas and oh, it's a cold cucumber and yogurt soup, okay? So let me show you how I put it together and then you're gonna agree with me. Here I have mint and parsley and some dill with a sweet onion, a small piece of garlic, some vegan yogurt, salt and pepper, some lemon, and of course the cucumbers. Now you blend it until it's very smooth and silky, and then you put it in the fridge and wait at least 3 hours before serving, because this soup, the colder the better, okay? So this is heaven on earth, I promise you. I served it to some guests that came over, and then I made a Greek dinner, which was very good, and they were impressed. They loved it, and I was as well, because it was my first time making it. I have had it before, but it was my first time making it, and I was like, how come I never made it before? It's so amazing, so amazing. So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. I told you so, I told you so. I keep saying that. I told you so. You're going to love it. Give it a chance. Now, tip, it's important. That's why I always tell you guys, watch the video until the end, because at the end I'm going to give you the considerations and modifications and some extra important tips for the recipe. And the important tip for this recipe is this. You're using vegan yogurt, okay? Stay away, unsweetened vegan yogurt. Stay away from coconut yogurt, because coconut is a fruit that has a sugar content, and if you mix it with the other food, I mean the other foods, all you can, and if it's supposed to be savory, all you can feel in your palate is the information that these high sweet notes, okay? And it feels like it's not supposed to be there. A hint of it on the way background is okay, because it balances out everything else. However, on the front, the first thing you taste is sweetness and coconut. That's not good, okay? Unless it's your thing, okay? I didn't like it at all, because I have tried it. I'm like, okay, maybe this is one of the recipes I can use coconut yogurt for this. That was not the case, okay? So this is my important tip to you. I was gonna say something else. Always unsweetened, okay? If you need sugar for a sweet recipe, you add the sugar before, but I always prefer the yogurt when they are unsweetened, okay? So this is a chef's tip for you, valuable. I hope you like it, because it's important. I already spoke a lot, and people are gonna complain, "Hey, Chef Jana, you talk a lot." I do. That's why I have a channel. This is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button so you get notified every time I make a recipe. And full recipe under the video and on my website. Follow me on my social media, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Have a wonderful week.